What's up guys, it's Lewis from Bitter Blade Co. And today I'm going to be fixing this bandsaw. Alright, so I've had this bandsaw for a couple of years and I have used it a little bit, but I never got to use it because there's something really wrong with it. So I used to use this saw for all my resin splitting and wood cutting, but then it started making a really bad noise. Yeah, so that sound is not normal. What I think is going on is that this belt is too worn down. This belt in here is too worn down, and it's slipping on this drive shaft. So what I'm going to do is I have replacements. I'm going to replace it today, and hopefully this will be better.
Come on. Get that off.
Yeah, that's not coming off.
There you go.
Okay. So I got this off, and it just looks like that screws in there. Alright. Yeah, look at this belt. There's like no grip on it. It's all chewed up. Got the new belt. Let's put it on. Slide that onto there. New belt. And yeah, that should be good. Now I just have to put this wheel back on. I'll start by screwing that back piece back onto this flywheel. I believe that's the correct terminology. And if it's not, please correct me.
Let's get wood to smack this on.
To knock the wheel back onto the bearing. Alright, looks like the wheel is running true. Looks like the belt is holding. Put this ring back on. Alright, that looks good. Let's fire her up. Already, I got this old piece of oak flooring. I'm gonna try to chop it up and see if I can install it. Alright, she works. I'm glad I can fix it. It'll be a good tool to use. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. It's been Bitter Blade Co. And have a nice day.